Good morning and welcome to New York City. It appears to be snowing quite a lot. I wonder if it's going to be proper snow or just kind of like this.
Tomorrow's meant to be like 10, isn't it?
10 degrees, so it's all going to melt. I want to see a really snowy New York day at some point.
Yeah, but then you'll be grumpy because we can't ride.
True. What have you found?
Lake.
Look at that, it's nuts, frozen over.
crazy.
The ducks are alright. I don't think we'd be alright walking on it though. This is a true New York experience, isn't it? Middle of Central Park, beautiful lake. Don't know what the name of the lake is.
What are they called?
Canada geese, they're just chilling. Careful, careful. Right, what have we got left? Half a lap. We need to seek refuge in our Airbnb.
But how do we get to our Airbnb?
I have no idea. Too cold to get my phone out.
We have to continuously do laps till we find out where we're going.
Yep. So since I got to New York, I've been testing out the new GP 5000 from Continental. I've had a chance to give it some beans around the park, and I can say I'm well impressed. When you first took them out of the box, they were like really, really light. That was the first thing you noticed. So I guess I'm a little bit apprehensive about the punch protection, but from what the reviews are saying and claims from Continental, it's actually better than the old 4000. I'm gonna keep riding them and do a bit of a longer term review, but so far so good. Almost back. Starting to lose feeling in my face. Love cycling.
It was fun. Apart from you nearly stressed me out at the end there.
I thought it was one way and it was the other way.
Yeah. Not so fun when you're trying to brake really fast on ice. Oh, look at that big tree.
Oh. Look, they got this big audience to watch us getting off the train.
They're all your fans.
Are they? Subscribers.
I organised this little
Cheers,
meetup.
subscribers. Let me put up this Christmas tree as well.
And this is your meetup, France.
Right, welcome to the tourist bit of our vlog once again. We're now in downtown New York. We're meeting Naria, who you may recognise from a few videos back. She's the lady who saved my life when I broke my arms back when I was here for Red Hook a few months ago. What are we going to do? Go and drink loads of beer?
Have tequila with her dog Tequila.
Oh yeah.
I've never actually met Nuria, so I'm quite excited.
This is like a Reserva de la Familia bottle.
What? I'm going to have to put subtitles on this video now.
Hi!
How are
good to see
you?
again.
Is this what we have to drink? Is it the initiation?
Yes. When you come to my house, you have to drink this. This
Mexican
is
tequila.
proper Mexican tequila, and that's like a Reserva de la Familia. The bottles are numbered. Yeah, they only make a certain number of bottles each year. And they actually come in a very pretty bottle that is hand-painted by a Mexican artist. This bottle is really good. Good tequila.
I'm excited.
Yes.
Let's do it.
And that's the other tequila. Tequila!
Ooh. Hey, where are we going?
We're going to a bar.
So apparently from the rooftop of this bar, you can see the Empire State Building. So I'm looking forward to seeing the city from a different sort of point of view.
I mean, she's contradicting herself and standing in the bike lane.
You're in the bike lane!
So American.
What the hell is going on here?
Private igloo. Because why not?
Yeah, we're in a private igloo. It's got a green light in it.
I know, but we have a fireplace. Look.
An actual real life fireplace. The best thing about this place is that every 15 minutes or so, there's an epic light show. It's not really epic though, is it?
Epic?
Not really epic. I mean,
One stroke
we
light
look
changes
forward to it
colour.
every time because it's so bad. Every time the light show comes around, we like use it as an excuse to have like drinks. There's the light show. You see that? Green, purple, green, purple. Light show. Best light show I've ever seen.
Okay, so over there is the Empire State Building. And there's Daisy.
Daisy's taking a photo of the Empire State Building.
Very bad photo, but I don't care.
And there's a building over there with some sort of rainbow on it. British show, isn't it?
For Lawrence.
So earlier on, as you can see in the video, it's pretty snowy. I will insert some pictures here. Nuria didn't experience any snow whatsoever. I think that's kind of weird. The island is that big that only half of it snowed. You didn't see any snow at all earlier?
No,
Nothing?
nothing.
Really, really?
Really, really.
You literally live on the same road as us, almost.
Well, almost.
And it took us, it was a half an hour train journey away.
Me almost being run over by an idiot.
You got really cross.
Yeah.
I could see it in your eyes. So we're just in the taxi on the way home. It is nearly midnight. We're not as jet lagged as we were before, but kind of feels like 4 AM.
As usual, thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you guys tomorrow where we're riding to New Jersey.